Welcome to our guide on learning English for beginners. Embarking on the journey of acquiring a new language can be a daunting yet ultimately rewarding experience. Like explorers venturing into uncharted territories, we'll navigate the intricacies of English together. Today, we'll share 5 simple tips to help you get started on your language learning journey. These are tried and tested methods used by countless individuals who have successfully learned English as a second language. Every grand journey begins with a single step. This is true whether you're climbing a mountain, starting a new career, or learning a new language. Each small step you take builds momentum, leading you closer to your ultimate goal. And in our exploration of the English language, those first steps involve mastering the basics. These foundational elements are crucial, as they set the stage for more advanced learning. Without a strong grasp of the basics, it becomes challenging to progress. Think of these basics as the building blocks of a skyscraper, essential for stability and growth. Just as a skyscraper relies on a solid foundation to reach impressive heights, your language skills depend on a firm understanding of basic concepts. Begin with common phrases and greetings. These simple interactions are the bedrock of communication, allowing you to connect with others in everyday situations. Simple expressions like, hello, how are you, please, and thank you are not just polite, they're the very foundation upon which you'll build your fluency. These phrases are your tools for making a good first impression and for showing respect and kindness in your interactions. Don't underestimate the power of these basic phrases. They might seem trivial, but they are incredibly powerful in building your confidence and helping you feel more comfortable in conversations. They're your passport to everyday conversations, allowing you to navigate social situations with ease. Whether you're traveling abroad or chatting with a new friend, these phrases will serve you well. As you become comfortable with these phrases, gradually expand your vocabulary. Start incorporating new words into your daily practice and don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. Start with words related to your daily life such as food, clothing, and transportation. These are the words you'll use most frequently, making them essential for your day-to-day interactions. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. And neither is fluency in a new language. It takes time, effort, and patience to build your skills, so don't rush the process. Be patient with yourself, and celebrate each small victory along the way. Every new word you learn, every phrase you master is a step forward on your journey to fluency. Keep going, and enjoy the process of learning and growing. In the animal kingdom, survival often depends on consistent practice. Animals must hone their skills daily to ensure they can hunt, forage, and protect themselves from predators. This is especially true for young animals who are just learning the ropes. A young lion cub doesn't become a skilled hunter overnight. It starts by playing and mimicking the adults, gradually learning the techniques needed for survival. It takes time, dedication, and regular practice. The cub must practice stalking, pouncing, and coordinating with others in the pride. Over time, these repeated efforts build the muscle memory and instincts necessary for successful hunting. The same principle applies to language learning. Just as the lion cub practices its hunting skills, you must practice your language skills regularly. To truly master English, you must make it a part of your daily routine. This means integrating practice into your everyday life. Whether it's through reading, writing, speaking, or listening, dedicate a specific time each day, even if it's just for 15 minutes, to practice your speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. Consistency is key. Over time, these small, regular efforts will accumulate and lead to significant improvement. Think of it like tending to a garden. Just as a garden needs regular care and attention to thrive, your language skills need consistent practice to grow. Regular watering and nurturing are essential for its growth and flourishing. Without this care, the plants would wither and die. Similarly, consistent practice will nourish your language skills and help them blossom. Each day you practice, you are watering the seeds of knowledge and helping them grow. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process and provide valuable lessons. They are an inevitable part of the learning process. Each mistake is an opportunity to understand what went wrong and how to improve. Embrace them as opportunities to learn and improve. With each error, you gain more insight and become better equipped to handle similar challenges in the future. Technology to the rescue: language learning apps. Just as we humans have developed tools to aid us in our exploration of the physical world, we've also created tools to help us navigate the world of language. Language learning apps like Duolingo and Babbel are incredibly valuable resources. These apps use gamified lessons and interactive exercises to make learning fun and engaging. They're like having a personal tutor in your pocket, available to you anytime, anywhere. Many of these apps also track your progress, providing a sense of accomplishment and motivation as you advance through the levels. Explore different apps and find one that suits your learning style and preferences. The most important thing is to find a method that keeps you engaged and coming back for more. Lights, camera, learning English movies and TV shows. Immerse yourself in the world of English entertainment. Watching movies and TV shows is not just enjoyable, it's an incredibly effective way to improve your listening comprehension and vocabulary. Start with shows or movies that have subtitles in your native language. As your understanding grows, gradually transition to English subtitles, and eventually, try watching without subtitles altogether. Pay attention to the way native speakers use idioms, slang, and colloquialisms. These nuances of language are often best learned through exposure to authentic content. Don't be afraid to re-watch your favorite scenes or episodes. Repetition is a powerful tool for language acquisition. Finding your tribe language exchange groups. In the animal kingdom, many species thrive in groups, relying on social interaction for survival and learning. From wolves hunting in packs to birds migrating in flocks, these social structures are essential for their success. This natural inclination towards community is mirrored in human behavior as well. Similarly, humans are social creatures, and language learning is often most effective when done in a community setting. When we learn together, we not only absorb information more efficiently, but also gain different perspectives and insights that enrich our understanding. Joining a language exchange group provides an invaluable opportunity to practice speaking with native English speakers and other learners. These interactions can help you grasp nuances and colloquialisms that are often missed in traditional classroom settings. These groups offer a supportive and encouraging environment where you can build confidence in your speaking abilities without fear of judgment. The camaraderie and mutual support found in these groups can make the learning process more enjoyable and less intimidating. Sharing your language learning journey with others who understand the challenges and triumphs can be incredibly motivating. Celebrating small victories together and learning from each other's mistakes fosters a sense of community and belonging. It's like embarking on an expedition with fellow explorers, supporting and learning from one another along the way. Each member of the group brings unique experiences and knowledge, making the journey richer and more rewarding. Embrace the opportunity to connect with people from diverse backgrounds and cultures, broadening your horizons while honing your English skills. These connections can lead to lifelong friendships and a deeper appreciation for the global community we are all a part of. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide on learning English for beginners. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, not a race, so take your time. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never be afraid to make mistakes along the way. Consistency is key, and with these tips, you'll be on your way to mastering English in no time at all. Please subscribe to our channel for more content and updates.